All right, so I think everybody needs to have a good wire stripping tool for if they're doing any type of work. So I use these anytime I'm working outside or anytime I am working on my drones. They have all this where it lets you know what size, and I can tell you if you're looking at these, they are going to last a long time. You can even like cut nails and stuff with like screws with that, like, which is really crazy that that's even an option. That's why there's numbers there. And then you have just, you know, how many different uses these have, that this is definitely a tool that is going to be in my toolbox for a very long time.